Okay, this is the fourth video of the challenge, so hopefully you've been really enjoying it and you've got into the habit of doing some Pilates. So we're going to start off by doing a spine stretch. So sitting nice and tall, making sure rib cage over the pelvis. Imagine you're against that wall. Pull back through that centre as you peel the spine off the wall, breathing out, hold it, and then stack that spine back up. So you go as far as you can to get the stretch. So breathe out, so really lengthen through those fingertips for me. Really nice, and back. And one more. Lovely, and stack that spine back out. Great. Let's take it into rolling back. So breathing in, breathing out. Okay, keep looking at those knees. So you keep a nice circle. If you want to make it a little bit harder, take it into the crowd. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Make sure you've got that connection in the centre. One more. And relax. Lovely. Roll yourself down. We're going to take it into the rollover. So starting with the legs together, open, flex your feet, roll yourself back down. Slowly getting each part of that spine back onto the mat. If you don't, keep going with that. If you don't want to do that, lower back into the mat, circle one way and then circle the other. Okay, and just keep it doing like that. Go back into this one. So flex the feet as you open them, peel each part of that spine, lengthening those arms as you take it back down. Let's go over with our legs wide this time, so flexing your feet. If you can get your feet to the floor, that's great. Bring them together, point them for me. Work that centre as you roll it back down. Lovely. Let's do two more like this. So flex the feet. If you can get them over to the floor, do. Okay, back, point, flex that feet. Point the feet rather, sorry. And roll it. Last one. Flex them, take them over. Work that centre, breathe out as you come back down. Lovely. Just take your legs to your chest for a stretch and then put your feet back on the floor. We're just going to take it into the shoulder bridge. So just starting off, breathing out, get those glutes working, in breath at the top and breathe out and back down. If you want to stay like this, you can. I'm going to take it up, so I'm going to take it rolling up. Let the arms over, keep the arms there, lowering through that rib cage, soften it through so you get each part of that spine back down onto the mat, and then take it into your chest lift, stretching my arms forward, back down, and doing it again. So breathing out, in breath, and out as I roll back down, each part of the spine back onto the mat, and into the chest lift. Just check your position of your feet each time. We're going to do two more. So get those glutes working, that pelvic floor working. Really lengthen, arms over, and roll back down. And last one. Taking it up. Good. Okay. Either sit yourself up here or roll yourself up. So I'm going to take the arms above the head. Breathe in, breathe out as we concentrate on working through that centre as we come back up, sitting nice and tall. Okay, you can take it just halfway. We'll try and keep these legs from moving. Not doing a very good job at the moment. In breath and then back out. So you can stay like that or go from the floor. Taking it back down, breathing in, breathe out, work through the centre, not those shoulders. Sitting nice and tall. If you want to make it a little bit harder, push your arms here. Okay. Get yourself back down, in breath and out as you come back up. Again, try not to use those shoulders. Focus on that centre. Two more for me. use those shoulders. Put it back in. A bit more of a challenge. Taking it over. In breath. And relax. Lovely. Okay, just going to turn over onto our stomachs and we're going to take it into push-ups. So remember you can do it all sorts of different ways. Okay? Or you can take it into a full press up. Just make sure you're looking slightly ahead so that you don't let that head drop. Okay, work through that centre, you should feel that in the back. And we'll have 3 more. And you can take it into a tricep press if you want to. Right, don't hammer down. And then lower yourself down. And we're going to take it into the swan dive. So open up those hips, open up those legs. Work through the centre, coming up. Follow your arms up the wall. Back down. And remember, you can either bring one leg up or both. Let's have 2 more. And last one. Okay, take it into swimming legs, so you can just lengthen one leg at a time. Okay, so get those glutes working, or we can do both legs. So we're going to breathe in for 5, breathe out for 5. Relax the head. And then we're going to do heel beats. So all the time you've got your glutes working, your pubic bones into the centre, and then circles. We're doing the whole of the leg series in this one. 5 circles one way, and 5 the other. If you're working properly, you won't feel this in your lower back, so you've got to make sure you're working through the centre. Let's do it one more time through. 5 kicks to 1 breath in, and 5 kicks to 1 breath out. Heel beats, get the heels together. Focus on that breathing for me, and then circling. Make sure that pubic bone's forward, the hips are forward. And relax again. Lovely. Come back on your heels for a stretch. Take your nose to your knees. Have some nice deep breaths in. Okay, just sit yourself up and we're going to take it into the side bend. So remember, you can do arms bent or arms straight. Arms bent, it's kind of easier to do with your legs forward. Coming back up, imagine you being lifted by a piece of string and back down. So you can take it to that. You take your legs straight, taking it up. You could go under. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can just drop and come back up. Okay, so it's the hardest way of doing it. You can also do it. Let's have 2 more. So you're really working those muscles at the side. Last one. Lovely. Good. Relax that down. And we're going to take it into the 100. So, neutral, legs bent or straight, open up the hips if you want to lift the head or head down, and at a good pace. Okay, lengthening through your spine as you do it. In for 5, really concentrate on working through that centre and your breathing. Going to do 2 more lots. In for 5. Last one. Brilliant. And bring those knees to the chest. And over to the other side. So just turn around this way and we'll take it into the side bend. So remember, we can do it down here. Lengthen that leg if you want to, and back up. So we take it this level, or you can do full length. Okay? Without a bent arm or a straight arm. Just taking it up. Ooh, not getting very stable here. Lowering and up. Okay? So you take it as low or as high as you can. Working that centre. So 2 more if you can. Remember to keep lengthening through that spine. And last one. And relax it down. Well done. So you've got 4 new videos that you can keep yourself going for practicing every day as well as class.